will bleat and ducks will quack, each sound their unique track. In the jungle, lions roar, monkeys chatter, birds explore. Snakes will hiss as frogs go ribbit, sounds that make the jungle vivid. Oh, the sounds, the joyful sounds, in the air and on the ground. Learning every creature's voice, nature's choir, let's rejoice. In the woods where wolves will howl, bats will squeak and foxes yowl, crickets chirp and bears will growl, melodies of nature scowl. Underwater whales will sing, dolphins click, their echoes ring. Fish are silent, bubbles pop, ocean song, it'll never stop. Oh, the sounds, the joyful sounds, in the air and on the ground. Learning every creature's voice, nature's choir, let's rejoice. Underwater whales will sing, dolphins click, their echoes ring.